Just let me know when you hit start.
Hit start.
Howdy, y'all. Andy McCabe here. I've been instructed to give a breakthrough video, but first I'm going to give you some quotes from what I learned today at Restoration Mastery's Warrior Weekend. There's a big day tomorrow. It's going to be our third day. As you can see, I've got my warrior paint on. So I'm going to talk a little bit about warriors. First off, the universe only gives us what we seek. The universe only rewards the energy that we put out. So we have to be very, very careful about the energy that we choose to put out, because the universe obeys. We put out negative energy, we're going to get negativity back. We put out positive energy, we put out positive intentions, and the universe will reward that. What is eternal cannot die. Bring me giants. Be unreasonable. Whatever it is in your heart, you own that shit, and if you don't want it, you let it go. One of the things that really hit me today was a statement that gratitude and depression cannot coexist in the same heart. So we have to have gratitude. We have to live our lives with gratitude. I wrote some things down. I want to send a message out to some of my friends. And I also want to send a message of forgiveness. So we're going to start with my friends. Clark Brown, I am grateful for you showing up for me without fail. You have been a true friend to me, and I'm grateful for that. Travis Chansey, I'm grateful for you showing me what real love is. You opened your house to me, and you opened your heart to me, and now my heart is open to you. So I'm grateful for that. Jonathan Grubb, you showed me your vision, and you showed me how we had a shared vision, and I am grateful for that. Ryan Sturch, my good friend, thank you for showing me what my eyes could not see. I complained to you that I needed to be bigger. I needed to play bigger, and you said, no man, you are big. So now for forgiveness. We can't hold on to anger and resentment. So, for those who cast stones and doubt and shame, for those who seek to destroy what I seek to build, for those jealous hearts, for those unbelieving minds, to those trolls and self-righteous people, I forgive you and I release you from my heart, because I will not carry that anymore. We are warriors, but we have to choose to step into that role. We have to choose to go hunt and kill so we can come home and feed our tribes. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to take part in this weekend, and I'm grateful for everyone else that's taking part in it with me. I love you. Let's go get it.